Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change the home screen wallpaper in your phone Moto G34. First of all, see here is the home screen. This is the home screen. Home screen wallpaper is you are seeing here. If you want to change this wallpaper to another wallpaper, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to personalize and go to the screen, and here select home screen and click on change wallpaper and click on here on device wallpaper, or you can choose other wallpaper. Here I choose another one, live. Here I select this one and I click on home screen, then click on tick mark and click on home screen. Here home screen wallpaper has been changed to what I selected. If you want to change to another one, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is again go to the settings, then go to personalize and then go to the screen and go to home screen and go to change wallpaper, and here select my photos as a wallpaper. Click on my photos so that you can set your own photos as a wallpaper, and here click on any photo. I select this photo, this one, and it will be previewed. See here, keep on home screen and click on this tick mark and click on home screen. So the selected photo will be applied as a wallpaper. See the changes. If you want to change back to default wallpaper, again go to the settings, then personalize, settings, personalize, and go to the screen and go to home screen and click on change wallpaper and click on device wallpapers and select the first one and click on home screen and click on this tick mark and click on home screen, and the selected wallpaper is now applied. So in this way also you can change back to default wallpaper for home screen in your phone Moto G34. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.